Hello friends and welcome to my channel. If you will watch this video, you will see what's inside this auto charger, and you will know how I managed to broke this, and let's see if we can repair this. Let's begin. I use this charger to charge my phone from 12 volts from my solar panel. I hope that you know my setup from my previous videos. Now let's see. As you can see, the voltmeter it's not working. And the output voltage is 4 volts instead of 5 volts, and it's not stable. Now let's see what's inside. Now you can see what's inside. First of all, I hope you can see this capacitor. It's not good. This needs replaced. Now I have to tell you how I got this broken. As you can see, it has two 5 volts outputs, and this says it's output 5 volts 3 amps, and I use this to charge two different phones in the same time. One phone 2 amps, 5 volts, and other phone 1 amp 5 volts. And even it's in his range, theoretically, practically was too much power consumption for him. And as you can see here, was melt. Now let's see what we can do. This one, it's SMPS step down module, and this is the voltmeter and ammeter. Let's see what happens if we replace this capacitor. As you can see, this capacitor is obviously dead, because here you can see. Now let's replace this capacitor. This has to be low ESR and 105 degrees Celsius. I've replaced that bad capacitor, and now the 5 volts part it's working. I show you. As you can see, 5 volts output, it's perfect now. Let's test charging this phone to see if it's stable. It's the voltage is stable and the current is 0.7 amps. As you can see, the voltmeter and the ammeter here are not working. I will, in the end of this video, I will show you detailed photos. As you can see, this is made from two parts. This one is the step-up module, 12 volts input, 5 volts output, and this, the round one, it's the output connectors and the voltmeter and ammeter. Between these two modules are three connections. One is ground, one is 5 volts, and the other one is the input, 12 volts for this voltmeter. I presume that when this capacitor was bad, the voltage regulation here is not working well, and that's why a peak of voltage reached to this IC and damage the IC. And I don't have an IC like this analog digital converter to replace, and this one is so cheap that it's not worth repairing just for fun, like I did now. So I managed to repair just the step down module, and now I can use this to charge my phone. But I cannot monitor the input voltage. Initially, here I can see the input voltage of the car. I hope that you like this video. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.